Hello friends, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to the continuation of our previous video on beginners tutorials on Revit 2020. Okay, so this, if you can see, this is the last thing we did and I did not touch anything, right? So first of all, we're going to check this is our level. Our level is at 3000, interval of 3000. Okay, so first of all, go back to your level 1 and now click on wall. Click on wall, click on the wall you created. So creating a plan, creating a design, you can have the first initiative. Sometimes you already drafted your design on a piece of paper and you want to transfer it. Or you don't even have the first initiating idea. Most of the time, there is only one thing I usually do. Think of any shape you feel like. What shape do you want to do? What shape can you draw? So you're an architect, so I can't really say I'm going to teach you how to draw a floor plan. But sometimes when your head is a bit heavy and tired, you can feel it can be very frustrating not to have a floor plan while you need one urgently. Okay, let's try this out. Right? So first of all, think of any shape. So to me right now, the first thing that came into my mind is letter F. So can I create a plan out of that letter F? Yes, I can. Let's start by doing it right now. Okay, so first of all, let's have some parameters. I want it to be 5000. Click on it. All right. Remember, Control Z. At default, your wall height is at 8000. You need to change it to the required height you want. So my wall height will be 8000. It will be 6000, sorry. 6000 because we are creating a duplex building. So first of all, 5, another 5, this time around 3, 5, 3, 5. I think 5 is too much for that. 5, 5, and now close it up. Okay, I think 5 is too much for this place, it's a bit too long. Let's make it 3. Alright, that's okay. So first of all, we have something like this as the first initiating idea that comes into my head. So like I said, the exterior wall, we usually change the exterior wall by the interior wall. What am I saying? My exterior wall is going to be different from that of the interior wall. Okay, so click on wall, change wall type. Let's make it this, and now let's create some petitions. Here, do this. Here, close this. Here, close this. Right? Here, close this. Okay. Here, close this. Here. I'm just doing this randomly. I don't even have a plan right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. Believe me, I don't even know what I am currently doing. Here, okay. So, mm, all right. I think that's all. I think that's basically it. That's basically it for the ground floor. What do I have here? Somebody will say I just have boxes. I'm just creating boxes out of nothing randomly. Okay, that's the reason why I have this long. I need 5000. Oh, sorry. Cancel. I kind of clicked on 500. 5000. Yeah. Oh, no wonder. So 1 5 plus this 2 5, 2,500. Much better. All right. Great. So now what do we do? This is one of the bedrooms. This is our dining space. This is my kitchen. This is my big living room. This here is where my staircase is going to be. Pum, pum, pum. This is where my staircase is going to be. And this is my foyer stroke lobby. And I will kind of shift my wall. Oops, sorry. Z, 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 Z. I'm going to shift my wall. Or let me just create another wall here. I'm going to shift it a bit to have like a passage which I can come in, which a guest can come in his area, right? Okay. Thinking of something. It's like I am closing up this entire place. That is this. I am. What to do? What to do? I'm stuck at here. I am thinking of where my entrance is going to be. Where my entrance. Here it's a bit too tiny for me. I don't really like tiny entrances. Let's see, what's the measurement? 1.2. 1.2 is really tiny. I want it to be exaggerated to be big. That's the edge to our main entrance. Thinking of something. Mm. Now let me just leave it this way. Let me just leave it this way. Okay? I'm leaving it this way. Oh, an increase. Let me just leave it this way for now. We have something like this, alright? So bedroom, kitchen, dining, living room, lobby. This is going to be my CS to create similar. This is going to be my toilet for the guest. Quite big. Move this, drag this point here. Okay, nice. Oh, the toilet is really big. Not that big. 2000. Oh, why am I cancel? 2000. Okay, that's 2 meters. Okay, so it's okay. This is the toilet and this is the bedroom. So the bedroom is very big. Very big. Let's make it 3600. Okay, now it's okay. So we have our ground floor right where you want where we want it to be. So the next thing is go to our second floor. Okay, so this is our walls. Most of the time I don't really like bringing in my interior walls up. Why? Because sometimes you don't usually use all of them. You will use some and leave some. So let's leave it at the 3000. This is the properties of wall. The moment you select the wall, here is the property of this walls you selected. So everything here, all of those readings are for these walls. So the moment you select anything, you will just see its properties on the property panel. This is the project browser as I've mentioned before. Okay, so now you can see I cannot select it. Why? Because it's at level 1, only level 1. So now what do? I said my staircase is going to be here. What and what do I have? First of all, let me create wall. So this bedroom is going to be where it is. Reduce reduce some cost, and this wall is going to be where it is too. Okay, so what else? What else? What else? What else? This is going to be here, and this is going to be here. Okay, nice. So we have something like this to work with. So I don't really like having a very straight building. CS creates similar. I don't really like having a straight building. Let's make it 3000. Enter. I prefer to have some excitement to my building. Let's make it a bit offset. Okay. Oh, this is a bit too much. It's not a bit, it's too much. It's too much. Again, cantilever is too much. So most of the times we architects neglect structural design a lot. So if you're drawing, always keep in mind that is it going to stand? That's why we usually have that basic knowledge on structural design. So is it going to stand? You need to think this is going to stand very well, but to reduce some cost and all this, just reduce it for benefit of cost reduction. Okay, one more thing. If you have something like this is showing our interior exterior wall is looking at the interior side. All you have to do, click on this arrow, it will change the direction of your wall. Now you see our exterior wall is now looking outwards. So the next thing, let's go to our 3 dimension and see what we have. Okay, I did not change the wall height. Wow, change the wall height 3000. 3000. Oh, yeah, okay. So like I said, this is too much. It's going too much. It's too much. What I'm going to do is let me just in it. Okay. Control V. Oh, CS create similar. Let me just make it on top of this guy. Wow. Line. Delete. Add it. So it's if your building is not connecting, you can just drag it in and it will connect by itself. Let's just leave it this way. I think it's much more better. Mm, it's much better. So I'm going to change my walls. You can see this is the ground. So I'm going to change this wall to my exterior wall. And also I will change this walls too. I'm going to change them to this type of wall. Later on, we're going to see how to make them look good. This plus this plus this, change them to height of 3000. Great. Now we have something like this. Okay, nice. I prefer this thing to go outwards a bit. It gives that kind of feeling of nice design. is to go backward a bit. Okay, I prefer seeing some cantilever. I really like cantilever a lot. So we have something like this for the wall. All right, we have. Let's finish the second floor. This wall here. Leave it, or should I delete it? Let me just delete it. I'm going to change it. Okay, great. So I want my master bedroom to be here. Okay. The staircase is popping out right here. My master bedroom cannot be here. Mm-mm. Not going to be right here. So my master bedroom. What to do? What to do? CS create similar. Mm, okay. So this is going to be open. This place is going to be open. Okay. Going to be open. And this bedroom, or should I say living room, is tiny. I don't like tiny living rooms. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Click on this. Okay, and now delete this. Nice. This is moving out. Great, and this is going in. Okay, so my bedroom is now okay. The master bedroom is okay. Why I kind of prefer the master bedroom to be at the front of the house so that you can see whosoever is coming into your house. And the other side is going to be, this should be the children's room, and this should be our, what's the name? Give me the name. Mm, Another bedroom. This bedroom, this children's room, and this a master bedroom. So the master bedroom is going to be a bit long. Here it's going to be our study. Very tiny, teeny study. Here's our study. Here it's where the staircase is going to run. This place is going to be a dead space. I don't like dead spaces. I think I'm going to put a toilet there for the study. Okay. Yeah, toilet will work. And here it's going to be what exactly? What is here going to be? So roughly here is like an open living room for the family to come and sit and talk to each other. Here is going to be an outdoor tea or bar or anything for the master bedroom. So you can sit there and relax. Okay, sorry, this floor plan is a bit rough. I don't even know. Okay, so I deleted all of things upstairs and I need to finish them. CS. This should connect this, please. Okay, and this should connect this, please. Okay, that's nice. Why I removed this is the veranda. I can't really have this kind of wall in the veranda. I will have a veranda here. Should I say an outdoor? Should I say sit out? This I will have a sit out here, and it's best I reduce this, please. No, if I reduce it, I'm going to block this. Has to be there. So we're going to stop here for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see in the next tutorial, in the next episode. We're done. We're able to design something. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna look fine. Maybe it's not going to look fine. I don't really know. So thank you very much for watching. Let's see same time. Okay. I'm used to saying same time. Let's see in the next video. You can see from the way we drew this flow plan, it's very simple and very straightforward. Just think of any shape and you will have the design out. This is just beginning. We're just starting. So maybe for some people will feel this is not even good looking. So why am I even saying mm, think of a shape? So keep on following and you'll see how this nice flow plan is going to work out for us. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see same time tomorrow on a exciting. Sorry. Let's see in the next video for another exciting episode. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry for the mistakes. I am human. I am bound to make mistakes. Alright, bye bye. Thank you.